Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Duolingo account. To do so, first install the app on your phone. You can install Duolingo from App Store if you're using an Android and from Play Store if you're using an iPhone. Now let's get to the video. Open the Duolingo app on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. You can tap on Get Started option if you're creating an account. Since we are logging into our account, tap on I already have an account option. Here you can enter your email and password to log in, or you can simply continue with the sign-in options given below, which is Facebook and Google. Now enter your username or email, then type your password and tap on sign in option. And with that, you can see we have logged into our Duolingo account. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.